Hello, it is me, and this is, as always, shelter food and beer. Tonight is another edition of the Thanksgiving leftover special. And this leftover creation is exactly what leftovers should be. I call it the Super Bowl. And the Super Bowl dates way back to the day of the Vikings, when they would gather around, drink beer, get a warm bowl of food, and watch the Super Bowl because they weren't in it. I worked a long, hard day. I'm tired, it's late, and I really don't have time or the desire to cook. But fortunately, I have a lot of Thanksgiving leftovers, and I'm going to put together my favorite, which is a Super Bowl, which isn't necessarily always a Thanksgiving dish or a Christmas dish. It's a dish that you could eat anytime you have quality leftovers. All you need is some starch, which I have the potatoes and the sweet potatoes, but you could use rice, pasta, whatever. And then some meat. Turkey's the meat of the day, but you could use burger, steak, chicken, or even fake protein. Then you want to put other stuff on it, like leftover vegetables. I have some Thanksgiving vegetables. I have some black olives, and of course cheese. Let's quit talking about, let's put it together. I'm going to start my Super Bowl like I usually do by putting my starches on the bottom, and that's the last of my potatoes and yams. Then I'll put a nice portion of chopped up turkey meat on there and a little bit of stuffing. That in itself is a perfect little bowl. But I always insist on topping that with a generous portion of cheese. And on my Super Bowls, I prefer a cheddar cheese. I'll surround that a little bit with vegetables. These roasted vegetables for the health aspect of the whole meal. And then top it with my black olives. The key is to nuke that thing until it's so hot it melts down and burns your mouth. So let's go in the microwave. At the end, when it comes out of the microwave, all nice and hot, I'm going to hit it with my favorite hot sauce again, because I love my hot sauce. And the only thing really missing is those crispy French onions. I like those on the top, but we don't appear to have any of those left. And there it is. Simple, quick, and easy. Wait a minute. Simple and easy are the same thing, aren't they? Never mind. I need to get to the bottom of this bowl, the bottom of this beer, and the top of my bed ASAP. Thanks for watching Shelter, Food, and Beer. Thanksgiving in a bowl.